Thinner than a human hair, stronger than steel. This is the future of advanced manufacturing. Every spectacular creation begins with a single, perfected element. Here, the journey of carbon fiber starts. Modern synthesis requires perfect precision.
Check the flow rate on line 4.
Creating high-grade carbon fiber, this is the future of material science. Millions of gallons flow through this facility daily. Precision rinsing ensures the purity of every carbon fiber strand.
Tau tension remains optimal. Proceed to collection.
Thousands of fibers enter the heated chambers. This precise stabilization process creates perfect alignment. Engineers closely monitor every stage.
Core thermal zones are holding steady at 250.
Inside this massive facility, precision rules. Thousands of filaments wind in perfect unison. This is the future of high-performance manufacturing. Every strand demands absolute precision. Tension rollers maintain flawless alignment. High speed meets perfect synchronization, delivering unparalleled structural integrity.
Welcome to the forefront of automated production. Efficiency and precision are redefined here.
We are exceeding standard limits. Check the alignment for any tiny defects. We are checking the surface uniformity.
Stress testing confirms the absolute integrity of the weave.
No delamination or structural fatigue detected.
The process begins with absolute precision. Hundreds of carbon strands are fed simultaneously. Robotic tension systems keep every filament perfectly aligned. Every strand is perfectly controlled. Robotic components move flawless accuracy, weaving horizontal and vertical fibers, creating an organized woven structure. Mesmerizing diagonal patterns continuously form. Thousands of black filaments interlock, operating smoothly in the background, subtle reflections across the carbon strands.
First, we begin the precise carbon fiber layup process. Workers smooth overlapping layers into the mold. Next, the resin infusion process begins. Liquid resin spreads evenly throughout the fabric. Surface looks perfect. Edges are clean. Edges are clean.